shore, mind the smugglers, oh Hestan Bay. Past the horse isles foam and the white horse sand, where the sailor's bones still mark the strand, and the lantern swung by a smuggler's hand guided shadows through the gloaming gray. Sing hey ho, the wind did blow, carrying tales frae long ago. Ships at anchor hurts a stone, running the coast where the tide has flown. Hey ho, let the old wind say there's smugglers still in Hestan Bay. Over Almorness Point, where the gulls take flight, they watch for sails in the fading light, and the Queen's men chased in the dead of night. But the smugglers slipped out like spray by the Hestan fire, and the lighthouse beam lies every wreck and every dream, where the tide runs hard like a restless stream, and the old sea sings where the deed men live. Sing hey ho, the wind did blow, carrying tales frae long ago. Ships at anchor hurts of stone, running the coast where the tide has flown. Hey ho, let the old wind say there's smugglers still in Hestan Bay. Oh, the tide hides paths and the tide reveals, but a smuggler kens how the dark conceals, and the sea keeps truth under iron seals, till the waves give whisper